Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete history on your iPhone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your history on your iPhone, simply open your Safari first, and let's open it. And after opening your Safari, you can see the book icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the book icon and all these options will appear where you can see these are the bookmarks. You can see the reading list, and these are our history. And now if you want to see all these wiped out from your Safari on your iPhone, you can see the clear button available on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on clear like this, and you can choose the time range of the data which you want to be wiped out. You can see all time, today and yesterday, today, last hour, depending on you. I'll be choosing the last hour and clear it, last hour, and you can see done. And there guys, by doing this you will have successfully wiped out your data of the last hour. You can see time range you chose. You can see there is no data which today's. And there guys, this is how you wipe data on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.